So hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Brahma Teja, and today I'm gonna do the unboxing of the new camera which I just bought like around 4 days ago. That is the Canon 200D Mark II. Let me show you the camera first. Yeah, here it is, the ultimate Canon 200D Mark II. So before proceeding, let me just tell you that this is my first ever DSLR, and I've never used or I've never experienced with the DSLR before. And this is quite expensive, it costed me around 60,000 rupees. And of course, you may ask, this is the first DSLR, and why did I spend so much money? Yes, so I just wanted to start vlogging in the YouTube, and this camera comes with a screen, tilted screen, so that I can see myself and make videos. So with this budget range, there are only two cameras available in the market. That is the Nikon D5600 and the Canon 200D Mark II. While comparing both the cameras, what I found out is when you're sticked only to photography, then the Nikon D5600 is so much better, because it has 39 autofocus points. I mean, you must have already known it. Whereas this camera has just 9 autofocus points, but when coming to recording videos, this is the best camera. The Nikon autofocus is very bad. You can check yourself when you go to buying, and you can do it, So this camera is actually worth it. It's worth it the money. So yeah, let's proceed with the unboxing. Okay, so let's do the unboxing right here. And before that, let me just tell you, I'm recording this video from the mobile I have, that is the Redmi Note 8. So I'm recording it in 4K, and yeah, later I'll also record in this camera and show you the difference and all. Yeah. So one thing I give you a suggestion that when you're going to buy the camera, you check for this seal, that is the Canon, these seals, and you can also see the hollow mark, I mean if the video is clear. While purchasing, I suggest you that you check for the seal not to be opened, This should be opened by yourself when you're purchasing the camera. So whereas if it is already open, then please don't buy the box and ask the shopkeeper to give you a new package or something. So let's proceed. Yeah, it comes with a good packaging, and yeah, let me just show you. Look. Okay, so what do we have here? Okay, this is the strap. Okay, that is the EOS Canon strap. Let me just put it aside for you. Okay, so these are the battery. Yeah, it's the battery and the SD card. Okay, I got SanDisk SD card of 16 GB. So let me just put it aside. Okay, this is the charging cable, and okay, and this is the adapter for the Canon battery. And I guess this is the camera body. So look, as you can see, that packing is quite strong, even though you put it up and down, and even it is crushed, the camera stays safe inside. So actually I like the camera body, and yes, here it is, the Canon 200D Mark II. Yes, well, it's just awesome. The look is awesome. The one thing which I liked from this camera is, it fits correctly to your hand, You can see how rigidly I'm holding it, and it's actually lightweight. So as per my understanding, that Canon tells that this is the lightest camera they have ever produced. I mean the latest DSLR they have ever produced. So I'm quite happy with this screen. So that's why, as I told you before, the main reason why I purchased this camera is because of the tail screen, So whenever I'm vlogging, I can just attach this to the Gorilla tripod, okay, and I can just record myself, like this. I can make videos, so that will be very helpful. Yeah, and well, comparing the Nikon and this camera, because Nikon also has a similar type of touchscreen, And but why I didn't go for Nikon, as I told you, the autofocus, it has 39 autofocus, whereas this has 9 autofocus points. That camera, Nikon camera, is very good for photography, whereas this is not up to the mark. But for videography, it is the best. I will show you the later video sample also, why I chose this camera and why I'm telling this is the best camera for video. I'll explain you in detail. So before comparing, this camera costed me 60,000 rupees, as I already told you, whereas the Nikon D5600 comes around 50,000 with dual lens. That is the 18 to 55 lens and the 55 to 300 lens. Whereas with this camera, I just bought two lenses. I'll just show you. Let me keep the body aside. Okay, that is this is the 18 to 55 lens, and this is the 55 to 250 lens. Yeah, this comes up to just 250 but whereas the Nikon camera has up to 300 but yeah, it's fine because this has image stabilization. I'll explain you all in detail. So let's proceed with the kit lens unboxing. Wow, this is so packed, so rigidly packed. I like the packing, Well. Here's the lens. Let me put the covers aside. Yes. So this is the lens, the Canon. Wow, it's just amazing. And let us do the unboxing of even the 55 to 250 lens. Okay. Wow, even this is so goodly packed, so well packed. Wow. I'm quite impressed with the packing, Wow, this is actually a bit heavy lens, but yeah, it's fine because it has, zoom up to 250 because this lens has stabilization on, and also you can shift to autofocus and manual focus. I'll explain you before proceeding. Yeah, you can see this is almost the double size of the kit lens, and yeah. So let's start. Let me just tell you how do you fix the lens. So just open the cap and just keep it. So you should turn this cap anti-clockwise. Just open it, place it aside, open the cap. As you can see, the white mark on the kit lens and the white mark on the body, so match both the things. Yes, just match it and hold it here. Just turn it. Yeah, and you get that small sound when it's locked. So now it's locked. So this, you just press it and remove it. That's it. And now let me open the screen. I'll turn it. I'll put it. Okay. So here the buttons are off, on, and also video mode. Oh shit, I forgot to insert the battery. I'll just show you. So the battery is here, and I'll explain you how do you insert the battery. There's this in the bottom of the camera. Just open it. And this is the SD card of SanDisk 16 GB SD card. You should just insert it in this corner. Just push it and it's done. Whereas the battery, you can see the inside of the camera. You should insert it in the correct manner. Yes, push it and it's locked. Just close it. Yeah, it's done. So now, let us on it. Lock. There it is. Intelligent. So now is it in it's in automatic mode, and so let me just show you how is it. Then to find in viewfinder, you click this button right here, and it will just turn on the live view mode. Look. Yeah, it's awesome. I'll just show you a picture, taking a picture. half click the shutter button to focus, yeah, and full click to take the photo. And also it gives you suggestions to raise the flash. You should raise it manually like this, and half click to focus. Look, just take the picture, that's it. It's so simple. So yeah, so currently I'm recording the video from the Canon camera, that is the 200D Mark II, and I'm using the lens 18 to 55mm, which is the kit lens. And one thing I liked about the camera is this camera has the dual pixel autofocus, which so what happens is basically it keeps in track of your eyeballs, So now as I can see in the screen, my eyeballs are getting tracked, and even though I move my face, look, my face is still in focus. So that is what it does. Whenever you are in movement or stabilization up or down, your face is still in focus. Whereas in other DSLRs, this doesn't happen. So that is why I bought this camera, and I wanted to spend so much because I wanted to go for Nikon because the photo quality wise it is much better. But just paying 10,000 more, I get such good camera with such good features. But yeah, photographs it also better, and I'll just show you the sample pictures which I just took yesterday, and you can yourself make it